Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Freshers Now. In today's video, you are going to get information regarding the exam pattern, the syllabus and also the recruitment process of IBPS, RRB, PO. Stick on to the end of the video to hear the good news for all the students and candidates who are applying for these examinations. The recruitment process is taking up in 3 rounds. Number 1 is the prelims, number 2 is the mains and number 3 being the interview. Candidate has to go through all the 3 rounds in order to be eligible. In this part of the video, you are going to see the examination pattern in the prelims round. For the prelims round, you have to take up these 2 sections and you have to know what is the marks allotted and the time allotted for each section. Number 1 being the reasoning round, it has 40 questions each and 40 marks will be awarded. Number 2 is the numerical ability, which also has 40 questions which carries the same amount of marks, that is 40 marks. The duration of time is 45 minutes. The total count is 80 by 80. Remember, 1/4 of the marks will be deducted for every wrong answer. So there is a negative marking if your answers are wrong. For IBPS, RRB, PO, in this part we will see the syllabus for the prelims which you need to prepare. For reasoning, for the prelim section especially, you have to be prepared in puzzles, number series, odd man out, coding, decoding, blood relations, analogy, syllogism, alphabet test, direction sense, figure series, word formation, statement assumptions and all the topics which I have mentioned here on the screen. For numerical ability, number system, graphs, pie charts, HCF, LCM, time and work, time and distance, decimal fractions and all the remaining topics which I have mentioned here on the screen. Other topics also include simplification, partnership, percentages, ratio and proportion, averages, probability, case studies, charts, etc. Now, if the candidates have been passed in their preliminary round, the candidate will hereafter be taking up the main section. We will see the exam pattern of the mains examination. If the candidate have been passed, as I've said, the main section will consist of all these questions which the candidate has to answer. Number 1 is the reasoning section, which consists of 40 questions which hold 50 marks. General awareness consists of 40 questions, 1 mark for each question, counting up to 40 marks will be awarded. Number 3 is the numerical ability, which again has 40 questions but 50 marks are allocated. Then Hindi or English languages, which has 40 questions, which will also carry 40 marks. Then the last section is the computer knowledge section, which has 40 questions and 20 marks are awarded. The total sums up to 200 by 200. Remember, even in the main section, 1/4 of the marks will be deducted if you have answered any of the answers wrong. So there is a negative marking even in this round. Now we will be looking into the syllabus of the main section. Reasoning, for mains, you have to be prepared in topics like puzzles, number series, odd man out, coding, decoding, blood relations, syllogism, alphabet test, directional sense, figure series, word formation, statement assumptions and all the topics which are mentioned here on the screen. And for general awareness, current affairs, sports abbreviations, general science, banking awareness, RBI, national parks and sanctuaries, etc. Here, these are the other topics which you need to be well aware of in your preparation, and please take these topics into consideration. Topics like simple interest, profit and loss, HCF and LCM, decimals and fraction, time and distance and all the topics which are mentioned here on the screen. For numerical ability, here are the rest of the topics, which are simplification, partnership, percentages, ratio and proportion, averages, case studies, probability, combination, etc. Now, here comes the English or the Hindi language topics which you have to consider for your preparation. Number 1 is reading comprehension, grammar or spotting errors. Grammar, which in Hindi it is also called as Vyakaran, and then rearrangement of sentences, jumbled sentences, idioms and phrases, one word substitutions, antonyms and synonyms. And for computer knowledge, you have to be prepared in the topics like MS Office, database, basic knowledge of internet, networking software and hardware, virus and hacking, and computer languages as well. Now, it is not only that what I am mentioning, but all these topics which are mentioned on the screen are equally important. As I've already told you in the beginning of the video that there is some good news for all the students and candidates who are preparing for your exams. Here is the good news. For all the candidates who are preparing, Freshers Now is offering free mock test for your preparations. Now, how good that it can be. You can add and enhance more of your preparation and know your scores beforehand. So you can be aware of how you can increase your productivity skills while preparing. This is our website, Freshers Now. You can log on with your mobile number or with your email ID, and these are the different sections or different types of examinations which you can take up for your preparation. All of these which I have mentioned here on the screen are taken for free. You can take n number of tests, practice them according to your convenience. Well, we have come to the end of the video. I hope you like this video. Make sure if you have any doubts or if you have any questions for us, let us know in the comment section below so that we will look into your questions and answer them as soon as possible. Share it with your friends, whoever is taking up any of these examinations, or you can share this good news from Freshers Now to enhance their preparation skills as well. Also, don't forget to subscribe to our channel Freshers Now so that you can get more learning videos and placement videos along with updated informations here at one place, Freshers Now. Thank you.